Okay, Balázs, András, that was a great set of tunes you played there. Is it nice to be back in Glasgow for piping live?
For me, yes. This is only my second time here, and I enjoyed it really the first time too. But now, as you mentioned, the weather is also very nice. So for me, it's a big pleasure to be here.
Can Balázs tell us a little bit about the duda, the Hungarian bagpipe that he was playing?
Yes,
We use two reeds
Yeah.
on the chanter, a melody reed and a rhythm reed. Its name is contra. Contra, and the bass drone is only one, 2 octave lower.
Okay.
The basic tune.
Yeah.
Low. And the sack.
The bag, yeah.
The bag
Yeah.
is from goat skin.
Yeah.
Or sheepskin. Long ago from duck skin, but it's
Really?
Yeah. That is very good. Very long life.
And it worked really well with the hurdy-gurdy.
Yes, it sounds quite similar.
Yeah.
The same, the same basic sound, and he's playing with this contra reed. And also there is a drone on the hurdy-gurdy, like on the bagpipe.
Yeah.
So yes.
And is this a normal combination of instruments to play in Hungary?
It used to be, yes. It used to be in the village in the southern part of Hungary, but it was the hurdy-gurdy played mainly with B-flat clarinet.
Okay.
So it's a small clarinet and with bagpipe.
Right.
But the bagpipe players were shepherds mainly,
Right.
and they were playing alone in the villages also with hurdy-gurdy and with fiddle. But in the folk tradition, it was played by shepherds.
And is it mainly one bagpipe, or do you have pipe bands that play with lots of bagpipes together?
Csak az utóbbi időben. Ez a hagyományban.
Just in the last times, it's not a traditional thing.
Okay.
It was used by the shepherds. They were not collecting, not meeting each other. They were wandering on the hills, And
It's an older way,
Okay.
than Scottish. The Hungarian bagpipe was a military instrument too, but in the Middle Age. Long time ago.
And you use it for dancing back home? The bagpipe and the hurdy-gurdy?
In the tradition, yes,
Yeah.
but the shepherds are playing for themselves, for the sheep, for the animals.
Yeah.
And the hurdy-gurdy was a peasant instrument. It was used by the peasants. They dig vegetables and animals. So different kind of life forms. The shepherd is not a peasant. The peasant is not a shepherd. So, but for occasionally dance parties they used, and of course at home for their own enjoyment.
Yeah. Well, we certainly enjoyed your music today. Thank you very much. It's good to see you both back in Glasgow again, and enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.